Hi Slayers, my name is Laniza. Welcome to Slay Masters, the best place for beauty, community, and self-expression. And today I'm here to show you my moisturizing wash day routine. This video is great for people with type 4 hair, which is what I have and what I'm familiar with. Also great for people with low porosity hair, which I also have. And that basically just means it is harder for moisture to absorb into the hair shaft. And we all know moisture is key, especially for our hair type. So let's get started. You will need the following tools. And for products, you will need the following. Do keep in mind that the products that may work with my hair may not give you the same results. It does take some trials and tribulations finding the products that works with your hair. But I do hope with this video you will get some guidance as to what products to use and the steps to take in getting some moisture into your hair. And one more thing before I continue, you should be washing your hair in the shower where there's lots of steam and lots of water, as the key to moisture is water, water, water. But for the sake of this video, I will not be doing that today, but you definitely should, especially if moisture is what you're lacking. And I will be using warm water so I can open up my hair follicles and get the products in there. I'm gonna start with my hair sectioned in 4 because this is much easier to manage when getting my hair wet and applying products. Now that my hair is wet, I'm going to go in with the first product, which is this sulfate-free clarifying shampoo. I do have a lot of buildup and my scalp is itchy, so I need a good cleansing. But let's say my hair wasn't dirty and I didn't have a lot of buildup, I would be doing a co-wash so I wouldn't strip my natural oils from my hair. But because my hair is kind of dirty, I definitely need it squeaky clean, so I will be using this. This product does state here that even though it removes buildup, it still infuses hair with nourishing moisture, which is what I want. Always start on your scalp first, as that's where it's the dirtiest, and then work your way down to your ends. So this is just to give you an idea of how I'd wash my hair, but of course off camera I am gonna have my hair drenched in water and really go in my scalp and get it clean. So for the sake of this video, this is how it's gonna go down today. I try to do as much finger detangling as possible to avoid using a comb. So I try to do this even when I'm shampooing. So by the time I condition, it's not as bad. Now that I've rinsed out the shampoo, I am going to go in with my conditioner. And I'm using Beauty Untouched by CJ Creations. I have never heard of this conditioner before me purchasing it, but it works really well on my hair. And since I did use a clarifying shampoo, I definitely want to use a conditioner before jumping into a deep conditioner. And this will help me detangle my hair. Just gonna go in with more warm water so I could have my hair drenched before applying my conditioner. I like to rub the conditioner in my hands before applying, basically just to warm it up. It's best to start at the end, as that is your driest part of your hair, and work your way up. So I basically do the opposite of what you do with the shampoo. So I use this time to detangle my hair. I do detangle using my fingers, so as that does cause less breakage. And after, I will just go in with my comb and it won't be as bad. So I'm just gonna finish off camera, rinse out the conditioner, come back and add my deep conditioner. So this is how my hair looks like after I rinse out the conditioner. It feels very soft. The curls are popping. And now I'm gonna go in with my favorite deep conditioner. I like to use a good amount of it. And make sure every strand is covered. This is how my hair looks like with the deep conditioner. The curls are popping. Hair feels so thick. The shrinkage is real, which to me is a great sign of healthy hair. Now I'm just going to use a shower cap, as I'm now going to add heat to my hair. I'm going to use this with my blow dryer on low heat. Adding heat to your deep conditioner will open up your follicles and get all that product into your hair strands. And if you're not able to add heat to your deep conditioner, I would just suggest deep conditioner for about an hour or a little bit over that. But if you do add heat, just about 45 minutes, which is what I'll be doing. So I'm gonna do 45 minutes on low heat to get the best results. So now that I've rinsed out the deep conditioner, I'm going to follow up with my twist and butter and seal all this moisture we've added to our hair with an oil. Remember, oils are not moisturizers. We use it to seal in the moisture. So I'm going to use my butter and an oil to do a twist out. So this is how we're looking like. Super moisturized, super easy. I did have to part my sections off camera as it was much easier in my bathroom using multiple mirrors to see the back. It's still not perfect, but it's okay. This is a quick protected hairstyle as we want to retain the moisture, retain the length, so we won't be touching our hair for the next few days. And again, if it does get a little dry, just spritz it with some water. Let me just show you guys the back so you can see the parts. So that is it for the twist outs. Now I'm just gonna add some hair beads just to give it a little bit of a style to it. I'm gonna be using a crochet needle. There are other ways to add in the beads, but this is all I have, and this also gets the job done. Use the hook, put that in between your hair strands, and then just pull it. Add the elastic. And that's it. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I will be back with the final look. And here's the final look. It came out even better than I was hoping. I could definitely tell that this will be my go-to hairstyle going forward, especially a protective hairstyle. It's quick, easy, and no additional hair required. And lastly, guys, don't forget to join our community, sign up for our newsletter, and subscribe below. Now go out there and slay. Bye.